Manga Splash. Yet another mango fragrance. We don't seem to be stopping with all these mango fragrances, but I'm not complaining. Every time you guys have a suggestion, I will pursue it. So, if you didn't know, this fragrance is said to be inspired by of mango skin. Mango skin, if you saw my unboxing recently, this was pretty impressive. It smelled more like mango lemonade than mango skin to me, but I still really liked it and I got a compliment on it, so my opinion of it's pretty high. Now, can you get this $275 fragrance in a $37 package? Let's go ahead and find out. This is the way. There we go. Nice, okay, pretty easy. There. And here we have Manga Splash. This is a pretty interesting bottle. I like the design, nothing too crazy. Actually, it's kind of messed up here. But the bottle actually kind of reminds me of that kind of thick fruit juice, kind of mango juice that you can get from the store. Not bad, but let's go ahead and see what this is hitting on. Whoa, out the cap, it smells pretty similar. Whoa, ooh, atomizer's pressure. Yeah, so on paper, I'm having a hard time telling these two apart. They're very similar. I'd say they're both delivering on this kind of really refreshing mango aspect that I was talking about when I smelled mango skin. That said, not bad at all. Let's go ahead and test this on skin. So interestingly enough, on skin, these two start out very similar to me. I'd say around the 98% range, but then it drops down to maybe a 93% just because the mango skin, like I mentioned before, has a kind of cool, toned down thing that happens to it that is kind of reminiscent of icing. Whereas this Manga Splash is more, there's like another sweet element coming out in it that makes it not specifically cool, but definitely juicy. Let's go ahead and compare the notes for these two. Interesting, they actually use the same ingredients, at least as reported. There's mango, black pepper, blackberry, orris, lotus, jasmine, vanilla, icing pink, and patchouli. Now, I'd say the difference here where they seem to diverge just a little bit, and I mean by the slightest of margins, is where I was thinking about mango and icing pink on this one. On the Manga Splash, I was actually getting more maybe mango and blackberry. I think that's around where it was. Now, if you ask me based on first impressions, what I need to know immediately is the longevity and performance of this. So I'm going to be wearing this out today to see how long it lasts and whether or not it projects, because basically this is almost the same thing. And this fragrance isn't so unique, so special in that small gap between the two that I would pay another $275 for it rather than 37 bucks on the Manga Splash. Now again, I'm not getting mango skin, so I would caution you to adjust your expectations if that's exactly what you're looking for, but I can say this is nice and pretty refreshing. I am a fan so far in terms of scent profile. I'll let you guys know about the performance and longevity once I've tested, but so far, Manga Splash, pretty nice buy.